Hello, welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach. Continuing on from the last episode, so I still got my cold, but we're going to add more tests to LOLCode. We're going to try to dive into something a little deeper. Some of this stuff may be pretty hard to have tests around, but we're going to have to do it at some point. So let's start a little gentle. No, that's not it. This one I'd like to, but what would you add tests? They're all public fields. I mean, this one would be, this is one that I would like to eventually we'll type and argue maybe struct read only. If we're gonna make it readable type, then you can make it read only struct. Okay. UTF buffer. No. I thought there was one in here. Yeah, let's do this one. Again, this is a really good exercise in control. To do should be sealed. Okay. All right, so we're going to do this one first. And we need, in tests, we need to add a directory. Symbols? Symbols. We need to add a class in here called LocalRefTest. Public static class. Okay. So this is one thing that again, if I start changing this stuff all over, I might break stuff because it might change assumed behavior and how things should work. And I don't want to do that because that would get really, really messy. So having these tests in place first with the way the code behaves is the right way to do it. But then to go back and change all these things, see what breaks in the tests, and then be able to react appropriately. So it's going to take some time, but we'll get there. We will get there. All right, so test needs a unit. Var local ref is equal to new local ref. No. It doesn't matter what the string is, apparently. Oh, it doesn't have internals visible too. Okay. Which I always think you should do. In my opinion. Can you do that in the CS project file? Or is that still a property? Can you say like internals? Come on. Nope, it's got to be a... okay. So it's not going to have any of this. Come on. Kick in, kick in. We need LOLCode. Oh, this takes an, yeah, string. LOL. Oh, well, thank you. That's not going to be safe if I change the name of that. Well, then all my tests would break, and they would test that compile because they couldn't find them anymore. Okay. So now you should be able to see it. Yay. Okay. Name should be name. Assert that local ref name is equal to a. Assert that local ref dot local is null. And like I said, I like to do a range act assert. Doesn't mean I do one assert, but if I start getting more than one, I typically will put in the names just as a reference to go, oh, that's the thing, because sometimes it might get a little type of object. Because you pass in a string, it's got to be a, to type of object. Type. Did this work? Why don't you show me the green? Show me the green. All right, that's one right there. Got that done. One and done. Ship it. All right. Scope. Looks doable. But what I'm avoiding are things like, I could do this one. This one would be adventurous. Should be adventurous, but let's see what happens. Yeah, why not? And then, after that, there's one up here. Global ref would just be like local ref. It's not function ref. Which was it? Argument ref? No. Was it in symbols? I thought it was in symbols. Or was it in syntax? Yeah, well, you give it an LOL method and an IL generator. I'm just like, gee, holy cow. Good luck with that one, Jason. I don't know what that's going to give. But how would you know if you didn't try? If you give it a Cobra, well, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Focus on this one first, and then we'll see how much fun we get with the next one. That's sealed, static. It's not a class in a class, you moron. There, okay. And guess what you need to do? Yeah. So what did I do in my... Assert that name is a name. Assert that arity assert that is go through all of them. Builder. Return type should be it's equal to a type. Argument types should have 3 in there. Okay, and then all of them should be equal to type of object. You can't say that. But what I can do, oh, okay, that needs to go in there. There we go. Okay. That should pass. Yep. Okay. I'm just asking for it, aren't I? I am going to push these up here, though. This bugs me. This is just a public, you know. Okay. Let's go for it. Let's see what happens. And this is in syntax. Okay, so we need, let's actually commit what we've got here first, though. What did I do to token? Oh, I added comments. Okay. So this is syntax. We're going to need one more time with less stupid. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I need to make a symbol store. Oh, that's simple, right? Posh. Who calls this? Great, that's there. I kind of remember this. And this is from a module builder. Okay. Our module builder. So now it should just work, right? I'm going to quick check and see because I got tons of tests. See, I do. The problem is I'm going to have tests that will give me a module. Well, you suck. Somebody got to... Really? I don't believe that. You knew what I need to do, and just don't want to do it. Give me that sweet, sweet example. Oh, come on. There you go. Okay, so assembly builder. We're not going to do that. We're just going to take this. Well, we got a thing. Don't know if it's going to work. I guess I need to keep the name. I gotta get used to saying, just extract it, right? Okay. What's the document? Okay, back up a second again. Okay, so where did I get? I just saw this, right? So it said that. Someone calls that this. I need to put in a document, right? I just saw this. I copied this from the code. Why? Where did I copy this from? Don't make me hurt you. No. Entire solution. There we go. Oh, so it's just some arbitrary file name. Okay. Makes me feel a little bit better. All right. La-di-da-da. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Extract the local variable. I'm going to put that in here because reasons. We got to do that. Okay, now I should be able to say document. Because of reason. I'm not testing code pragma here. I'm testing assignment statement. Can I say anything about statement when this happens? I don't know. What happens when you pass this into the base? So it's equal, okay, so it's going to be equal to the pragma, but then the R value and the L value, they're not going to be set to anything. Okay, fine. That's fine. I mean, if that's the way the code works. Okay, I'm going to, Jason, you're going to learn. You're going to learn. Good boy. Assert that statement. Location is same as. Yeah, because it literally is the same thing. Pragma. And then we'll do name of statement. Location. This should be protected because it's an abstract class, so there's no reason to have a public. Only you have to subclass it, so it makes absolutely no sense to make that public. Okay, and I'm guessing assert that statement. What's L value? Int. Oh, it's an L value. I is null. Name of statement lval. What the heck is an lval? I mean, what is the type? That's what I'm getting at. I don't know, but I don't think it's ever set, so you can say the same thing for write val, right? The name doesn't matter. Hey, it shouldn't matter. Did it pass? No, it did not pass. Why did it not pass? Not a debug module builder. Well, Jason, how dare you? Okay, it's like, woohoo, yippee, you did stuff. Yeah, I did, but at least I got the constructor. Doing this, holy crap. Well, I already have the IL generator. I really want to get rid of the whole code down thing, but I'm not finished with this, but I'm going to stop for now just because my voice and stuff. Next time I'll pick it up by doing this one and just see even where the rabbit hole goes. So before I do that, started. GitHub, this would be nice. If you could somehow like say what are all the tokens or things that I have in my thing, you just like you could actually IntelliSense that. That'd be really cool. All right, I got that in the branch. So we're adding more tests. We're adding more tests. What are we at right now? If I do all my tests, we still have 3 that don't, but you know, we have 25 tests. Which is a heck of a lot more than we had before. And yeah, they're kind of trivial and stuff, but I have that code tested now. And that's making me feel much, much better. Okay, so next time I do a episode recording, I am going to continue on testing on this stuff. I think eventually I'll get to a point where I just, like I did with this whole project, where I move stuff out into different things. I might just do it where I don't actually record it and just keep working on the test, but I do want to at least record a couple more episodes of me trying to get tests around as much of this. The biggest one, again, is going to be this parser stuff, the buffer stuff, all that side, especially this 1, 2, and pass one. I've got to get tests around this, because to unravel and kind of refactor and redo what's there, I can't do that unless I got tests. There's just no way. That's going to be so complicated without it. Or I should say so brittle without that kind of stuff. So, alright, I'm going to stop for now and for tonight. So, thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.